so much in our mind. It is that role of your images. We are having that type of.
Which one you're talking about, Iqbal? Or?
Yeah,
Okay.
comic and.
Oh, comedy films. Okay, yeah.
I mean, we are very
No, so I guess every actor lives for a day like this when he gets to play something new, something challenging, and I don't think this can get more challenging than that. So for me as an actor, when I wake up every morning, I look forward to the day only if there is something new that I have to perform. Otherwise, it's the same routine, and the reason that I'm in this profession is because I get to live so many lives every day. So yes, the journey has been quite fantabulous with a lots of ups and downs, but some really memorable films, memorable parts, and I'm glad the kind of love that people and all of you have given me for so many years, I cannot really